Hai, Assalamualaikum. My name is Nik Alia Wafa binti Nik Syahidat.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Kaisara Edina binti Zulkifli.
Hai, Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Atirah binti Muhammad Rosli.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Zikri Kushairi.
What is compound interest? Compound interest is the process where interest is added to the original amount of money and future interest is calculated on both the original amount and the accumulated interest. This means the money continues to grow faster over time compared to simple interest. Compound interest is commonly used in saving accounts, investment and loan because it helps increase the value of money gradually through time.
So, for the case study, Bank Rakyat offers an interest rate of 1.25% compound quarterly for deposit of RM100,000 and above. Tira deposit RM112,000 into her saving account and plan to keep the money for 5 years without making any withdrawals. And after 2 years, she deposit another RM20,000 with an interest rate of 1.15% compound semi-annually. So we move to the next, which is objective. First, we need to determine the accumulated amount at the end of the investment period. Second, we need to calculate the total interest earned at the end of 2 years.
For number 3, to determine the accumulated amount at the end of 5 years. Number 4, to calculate the total interest earned at the end of 5 years.
So, we move to the next step, which is result and discussion. First thing first, we must draw the timeline. And to solve this problem, we use the compound interest formula, which is where S represents the accumulated amount, P is the principal amount, and I is the interest rate per period, and N is the number of compounding periods. The principal amount P is RM112,000, so the interest rate K is 1.25%, which is equal to 0.0125. Since the interest is compound quarterly, the value of M is 4. The time period T is 2 years. First, we calculate the value of I. I equals K divided by M. So, 0.0125 divided by 4 equals 0.003125. Next, we calculate the value of N. N equals M multiplied by T. So, 4 multiplied by 2 equals 8. Then, we substitute the values into the formula. From this calculation, the accumulated amount after 2 years is RM114,1,830 and 82 cents. Okay, next, we need to calculate the interest earned. So, we use the formula where I is the interest earned, S is the accumulated amount, and P is the principal amount. So, we need to substitute the values into the formula. So we got the total interest earned is RM2,080.82.
For objective 3, P is equal to 112,000, K is equal to 0.0125, M is equal to 4, T is for 2 years. For the formula is S equal to P in bracket 1 plus I, which is K over M to the power of N. To get the first S is 112,000 in bracket 1 plus 0.0125 over 4 to the power of 8. For the answer, you will get 140,830 and 82 cents. To find the amount added, the formula is first S plus second P, which is 140,830 and 82 cents plus 20,000. You will get 134,830 and 82 cents. For second S, M is equal to 2, T is for 3 years, K is 0.0115. To find the second S, 134,830 and 82 cents in bracket 1 plus 0.115 over 2 to the power of 6, you will get 139,549 and 87 cents. For objective 4, to find the total interest, the formula is S minus P, which is 139,549 and 87 cents minus 132,000 that get from 112,000 plus 20,000. You will get 7,549 and 89 cents.
Introduction for annuity. What is annuity? Annuity were considered the most certain and most useful species of property. Based on this idea, an annuity can be explained as a financial arrangement where a person receives or pays a fixed amount of money regularly over a period of time. In the past, people valued annuities because they provided steady and secure income, especially for retirement or future financial stability. This shows that annuities have long been seen as a safe way to manage money and prepare for the future.
Problem statement 2 is Miss Sarah intends to apply for a personal loan of RM40,000 from my bank to start a small business. Based on the bank's profit rate table, for this loan amount, a fixed profit rate of 7% per annum, compounded monthly is applied. She chooses a repayment period of 5 years. So, objective 1 is determine the monthly payment. Next, objective 2 is to calculate the total interest in query I.
Result and discussion for case study 2, objective 3 is to calculate the total outstanding balance, the settlement value. Result and discussion for case study 2, objective 4 is to determine the amount of outstanding arrears to be settled in the next payment if Ms. Sarah has missed 2 consecutive monthly payments, and how much should she pay on the third month to settle it.
Calculate the monthly installment amount that Ms. Sarah needs to pay. This formula is R equal to AI over 1 minus bracket 1 plus I to power negative n. 40,000 bracket 0.07 over 12 over 1 minus bracket 1 plus 0.07 over 12 to power negative 60. R equal to RM 792.05. This formula is I equal to R bracket n minus A. I equal to 792.05 bracket 60 minus 40,000. I equal to RM 7573.
This is calculated based on the remaining unpaid periods n equals to remaining number of months or payments. If the loan is for 60 months and she paid for 36 months, then n equals to 60 minus 36 equals to 24. For this objective, we use the A formula. A equals to R times 1 minus 1 plus I powered by negative n over I. After we substitute all the values, it will become 792 ringgit and 5 cent multiplied with 1 minus 1 plus 0.07 over 12 powered by negative 24 over 0.07 over 12. So the total outstanding balance is 17,690 ringgit and 52 cent. N equals to the number of consecutive payment means. For this objective, use the S formula. S equals to R times 1 plus I powered by N minus 1 over I. To determine N, we need to multiply M and T together. So N equals to 12 times 3 over 12. N equals to 3. We substitute all the value to the formula. We will get 792 ringgit and 5 cents multiplied with 1 plus 0.07 over 12 powered by 3 minus 1 over 0.07 over 12. Amount of outstanding arrears to be settled in the next payment if Ms. Sarah has missed the 2 consecutive monthly payments, and how much should she pay on the third month to settle it is 2,390 ringgit and 4 cent.
Okay, for case study 1, this topic helps us understand the concept of compound interest, and it is important in financial mathematics. Through this group project, we learn how to calculate monthly payment, total interest, and outstanding balance while improving our problem solving and teamwork skills. This knowledge can be applied in real life, especially in savings, investment, and loans, to help people manage their finance wisely.
Conclusion for case study 2. This topic has helped us understand the concept of annuity and its importance in financial mathematics. Through this group project, we learned how to calculate monthly payments, interest, outstanding balances, and arrears using annuity formulas while improving our problem solving and teamwork skills. We also discovered that annuity is widely applied in real life situations such as loans, savings plans, insurance, and retirement funds. Understanding this topic can help individuals make better financial decisions, manage debts responsibly, and plan their finances more effectively for the future.